front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download free app called Files by Google Developer, which is this one. Now, after it's ready, you need to launch it and hit continue. Then use gray switcher next to allow permission. And finally, to clean your storage, click on those three lines at the top left corner and select clean at the top. Then hit clean under junk files and last but not least, clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. To do it faster in the future, you can always hold Files up and select clean from white pop-up. Then you will get transferred to this section right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!